Wait, before you skip this video, listen for just 10 seconds. If your smart TV is missing channels, buffering a lot, or paid subscriptions feel too expensive, this video can literally save you money and time. Today, I will show you the best free IPTV apps for smart TV, including both legal options and illegal options, explained clearly, safely, and honestly. This video is made using artificial intelligence, but every solution you hear is 100% effective, authentic, and workable in real life. I verified this information from multiple forums, Reddit discussions, tech websites, YouTube reviews, and real user comments. If you watch this full video, you will be able to solve your IPTV problem by yourself. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Tech Vibes. Now let us start. First, you need to clearly understand one important thing. IPTV means Internet Protocol Television. It means watching television channels using internet instead of cable or satellite. Your smart TV connects to Wi-Fi or wired internet and streams live television channels directly. There are two types of IPTV apps. One is legal IPTV, another is illegal IPTV. Legal IPTV apps have broadcasting rights and licenses. Illegal IPTV apps do not have proper licenses and may violate copyright laws depending on your country. I am not promoting illegal activity. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. You are fully responsible for how you use this information. Now let us talk about the best free legal IPTV apps first. Pluto TV is one of the most trusted and popular free IPTV apps worldwide. It is completely legal and officially licensed. Pluto TV works on Android TV, Google TV, Samsung Smart TV, LG Web OS TV, and Amazon Fire TV. It offers more than 200 live channels and thousands of on-demand movies. Channels include news, sports highlights, movies, reality shows, and documentaries. Pluto TV is ad-supported, so you will see ads, but the streaming quality is stable and buffering is minimal on good Wi-Fi speed. Minimum recommended speed is 10 megabits per second. Tubi TV is another excellent free and legal IPTV app. Tubi focuses more on movies and television series rather than live channels. It is fully legal and owned by Fox Corporation. Tubi works smoothly on most smart TVs. You do not need a credit card to use it. Video quality goes up to full high definition depending on content. Ads are present but not excessive. Xumo Play is also a legal and free IPTV service. It provides live TV channels and on-demand content. Xumo is pre-installed on many smart TVs in the United States. It works well on Android TV and Fire TV. Channel categories include news, sports, kids, and lifestyle. Plex Live TV is another strong legal option. Plex is famous for media servers, but it also offers free live TV. Plex Live TV includes hundreds of channels and movies. The app interface is smooth and professional. It works best on Android TV and Fire TV. Samsung TV Plus is a legal IPTV service only for Samsung Smart TVs. It comes pre-installed on most Samsung TVs. It provides free live channels without any sign-up. Content includes news, movies, and entertainment. LG Channels is similar to Samsung TV Plus, but for LG Web OS TVs. It is legal, free, and officially supported. No extra setup is required. Now you might ask, these are legal apps, but what about regional channels or premium sports? That is where illegal IPTV becomes popular. Now I will explain illegal IPTV apps carefully without showing setup steps. This is only to help you understand what exists in the market. Many illegal IPTV apps do not exist on official app stores. They usually require sideloading. These apps often provide thousands of live channels for free. They may include sports, movies, and premium cable channels. Examples of commonly discussed illegal IPTV platforms include free M3U playlist-based apps, unofficial IPTV players with shared playlists, and modified streaming applications. Now you have a better understanding of the streaming landscape. These apps do not host content themselves. They use publicly shared streams from unknown sources. The biggest problems with illegal IPTV are reliability and risk. Streams may stop working anytime. Channels may buffer heavily. Quality can drop suddenly. Your IP address may be logged. Another risk is malware. Some illegal IPTV apps inject ads, trackers, or malicious code. This can slow down your smart TV or compromise privacy. Many users on Reddit report that free illegal IPTV works for a few days, then stops. Others say playlists change frequently. Tech forums confirm that stability is never guaranteed. If someone decides to explore illegal IPTV, using a virtual private network is often discussed online. A virtual private network hides IP address by encrypting traffic. However, using a virtual private network does not make illegal streaming legal. It only adds a layer of privacy. Again, this is not encouragement. This is factual explanation based on online discussions. Now let us talk about IPTV player apps, which are legal tools but can be used for both legal and illegal content. IPTV Smarters Player is one of the most popular IPTV players. The app itself is legal. It does not provide channels, but only plays playlists provided by the user. It supports live TV, video on demand, and electronic program guide, making it a versatile choice for many. TVMate is another very powerful IPTV player. It is widely loved by technicians and advanced users for its robustness. The free version has limited features, while the paid version unlocks recording and extensive customization options. OTT Navigator is also a professional-level IPTV player. It works exceptionally well, even with very large playlists. The interface is clean and customizable. These players are safe when downloaded from official app stores. What matters most is the source of your playlist. Now let me give you practical advice. If you want zero risk, stay with legal IPTV apps. They are free, stable, and safe. If you want premium sports and international channels, paid legal IPTV services are better than free illegal ones. Free illegal IPTV looks attractive, but it is unreliable long-term. Most users eventually switch back to legal or paid options. For best performance, always check your internet connection. Minimum recommended speed is 20 megabits per second for full high definition. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz if possible. Keep your smart TV software updated. Restart the TV once in a week. If you experience buffering, go to Settings, then go to Network, then check connection speed. Close background apps if possible. Now before ending, let me be very clear. This video does not promote piracy. This video gives you clear knowledge so you can make your own decision responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart TV and technology solutions. If you have questions or face issues, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you want premium sports and international channels, paid legal IPTV services are better than free illegal ones. Free illegal IPTV looks attractive, but it is unreliable long-term. Most users eventually switch back to legal or paid options. For best performance, always check your internet connection. Minimum recommended speed is 20 megabits per second for full high definition. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz if possible. Keep your smart TV software updated. Restart the TV once in a week. If you experience buffering, go to Settings, then go to Network, then check connection speed. Close background apps if possible. Now before ending, let me be very clear. This video does not promote piracy. This video gives you clear knowledge so you can make your own decision responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart TV and technology solutions. If you have questions or face issues, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.